Before starting the work of the day, students, let me ask you some questions which are related to previous topic which we have done in last week. So first question is, what is rational number? Yes, you know about it because we have done this in the last week. The rational numbers are such numbers which can be written in the form of P over Q or P of X over Q of X. In fact, all the fractional numbers are rational numbers. The second question is, what is a rational number? You will know about it. Yes, irrational numbers are the numbers which can never be written in the form of P over Q. In fact, under root 2, under root 3, all the numbers which are in radical symbols, they are irrational numbers. Now, what is surd? That we have done last week. Yes, surd is an irrational radical with rational radicand is called a surd. Students, you know the unit number 4, algebraic expression and algebraic formulas we are doing. And the topic for the day is operations on surds. So the objective, by the end of the lesson, students will be able to add and subtract the surds. First of all, what is a surd? We have done this. Again we will repeat. N under root A is a general form to write a surd, where N is index or order, and under root is a radical, A is a radicand, R a rational number. Now, similar surds can be added or subtracted into a single term. What are the similar surds? Let's see. Similar surds means surds having same irrational factors. Irrational factors, you know, the numbers which are written in under root. So as surds are 5 under root 2, 2 under root 7, 3 under root 3, 4 under root 3. All these are surds. And in all these surds, under root 2, under root 7, under root 3 are irrational factors. Now students, you can observe 3 under root 3 and the 4 under root 3 are having the same irrational factors. So these surds can be added or subtracted. I hope it is clear to you how we can recognize the similar irrational factors. Now, the method to simplify by combining similar terms. To explain this, from exercise 4.3 on book page 90, question number 3, part number 2 has been selected. Let's add and subtract the given surds. 4 under root 12 plus 5 under root 27 minus 3 under root 75 plus under root 300. Now students, first of all, we will convert the numbers in the radical sign into prime factors. Prime factors, you know that 12 will be converted into 3 into 4. 27 will be converted into 3 into 9. And the 75 will be converted into 3 into 25. Same as it is 300 converted into 3 into 100. Now you can see 4 is having a perfect square, 9 is also having a perfect square, 25 is also having a perfect square, and the 100 is also having perfect square. So 4 will be converted into 2 square, 9 will be converted into 3 square, and 25 will be converted into 5 square. 100 will be converted into 10 square. So 4 under root 3 into 2 square plus 5 under root 3 into 3 square minus 3 under root 3 into 5 square plus under root 3 into 10 square. Now students, you know that under root and square will be cancelled with each other. So if the factor in the under root is having a square on it, it will came out as square and under root will be cancelled. So 4 will be multiplied by 2 and under root 3 will be as it is, plus 5 multiplied by 3 and under root 3 will be as it is. minus 3 multiplied by 5, and then under root 3 will come, plus 10 will be out of the under root, and under root 3 will come. Now you can see 4 multiplied by 2, you will simplify by multiplying them. 4 2s are 8, under root 3, plus 15 under root 3, minus 15 under root 3, plus 10 under root 3. All the surds are having same irrational factors. So these are similar terms, similar surds. So we can add and subtract them easily. Plus 15 under root 3 and minus 15 under root 3, they are same terms having different symbols, they will be cancelled. So the leftover 8 under root 3, this is a positive number, and 10 under root 3 also a positive term. So we will add them and you will get 18 under root 3. This is the final answer. This question will be clear to you, students. Now there is another question where the surds are multiplying with each other. 3 plus under root 3 and 3 minus under root 3. You can observe here what? That is, factors are same, but their symbols are different. So we can apply easily third identity. What is the third identity? That is a square minus b square. So 3 whole square minus under root 3 whole square, as a is 3 and b is under root 3. So we will take square, and square and under root will be cancelled. 3 3s are 9 and minus 3 will be left. So 9 minus 3 will give you 6. You can solve such type of expression by applying third identity. With the same method, another question from exercise 4.3 on book page 90, that is a fifth part. Again, you can observe here, there are surds which are adding and subtracting, but the symbol in between them, that is multiply. So we will apply again third identity. Under root x whole square minus under root y whole square. X plus y and x square plus y square, they will come down. Student, one thing you can note here, we have done such type of a question in exercise 4.2. So you can observe from there. This is again continued multiplication. So under root x whole square, under root and square will be cancelled. X will be left over. Under root square again cancelled. Y will be left over. X minus y, x plus y, x square plus y square will come in third step. Now again we can apply the same identity. This is the second time we are applying. X minus y and x plus y, they are going to multiply. Same terms with the different symbols. So applying a square minus b square. X whole square minus y whole square. X square plus y square come as it is. Open the squares. X square minus y square will come. Again x square plus y square will come down. Now this third time we are applying the third identity. X square whole square minus y square whole square. This will give you x4 minus y4 because power multiplied by the power, and you will get x4 minus y square. So when we will be having different symbols and the values are going to multiply with each other, so we will keep on applying third identity. I hope it is clear to you. Such type of question you will do the practice to make it clear. There are some assignment related to day 1 and day 2 which you have to do. Do these questions independently. I hope these all steps will be clear to you. Now let's have a short recap. We learned about how to recognize similar surds, and the second, how to simplify the surds by combining similar terms. Students, let me ask some questions related to previous week and the previous day 1 and 2. First question is, what is surd? Yes, you should know. An irrational radical with a rational radicand is called a surd. It is very important definition, so you should remember it. Second, how to add or subtract surds. Yes, we have done in the last 2 days. Similar surds can be added or subtracted into a single term. Yes, and the steps we have done. Students, you know that we are doing unit number 4, algebraic expressions and algebraic formulas. So the topic for the day is rationalization of surds, and objective, by the end of the lesson, students will be able to find the conjugate of given surd, and the second, rationalize the denominator and evaluate it. Again we are repeating, what is a surd? The general form of a surd is, you know that, n under root a. N is the index order, under root is radical, a is a radicand, a is also a rational number. Yes, good. An irrational radical with rational radicand is called a surd. You know it very well. Now we will discuss what are the types of surds. The types of surds are very much important. First is a monomial. Monomial surd which contains a single term as 3 under root 3. It's a single term. So this is called monomial. Second is binomial. Binomial is having a 2 cases. First is a 2 plus under root 3, the sum of monomial and a rational number. Second is which contains sum of 2 monomial surds as under root 3 plus under root 2. So this is binomial and it is having 2 cases. I hope it is clear to you. Now students, we will discuss what is a conjugate. Conjugate is a very important concept. 2 binomial surds of second order differing only in sign connecting their terms are called conjugate surds. The conjugate always will be found out from the binomial surds. Binomial surds of second order means it is having under root and under root is equal to 1 by 2. So this is called second order. You can see here under root x plus under root y. This is a binomial surd. And whenever you will find its conjugate, you will just change the symbol in between these terms. Under root x plus under root y will be converted into under root x minus under root y. Terms will remain as it is, just change the symbol. If it is positive, will become negative. If it is negative, will become positive. And one thing, the conjugate surds of each other. The product of the conjugate surds is a rational numbers. Means whenever you will multiply the conjugates with each other, the answer will be a rational number. Rational numbers means the simple numbers without the radicals. So this is the conjugate, which is very much important for rationalizing the denominator. I hope it is clear to you, students. Let's have some questions related to find the conjugate of binomial surd. In general, x plus under root y, such type of questions will be there. So exercise 4.4, book page 94, question number 2, first part, 3 plus under root 7. This is a binomial surd. So we need to find out its conjugate. Simply, we will just change the symbol. 3 and under root will remain as it is. And it will become 3 minus under root 7. Same question number 2, 7th part, 7 minus under root 6. This is a negative symbol, so it will be converted into positive. 7 plus under root 6 will be the conjugate. It is easy. I hope steps are clear to you and you will never forget the conjugate. Now the question is, rationalize the surds. So the method to rationalize the surd, the exercise 4.4, book page 94, question number 1, part 1 will be discussed. Now you can see 3 over 4 under root 3. There is a fractional term. So in the denominator, there is a irrational factor under root 3. We need to omit this. We need to convert this irrational factor into rational. So this is the way which is called rationalize the surd. Simply what we will do, because it is a monomial, so whenever there is monomial in denominator, you will multiply and divide it as it is with the given fraction. 3 over 4 under root 3, it will be multiplied by the denominator 4 under root 3 and also divide 4 under root 3. Again I am repeating, the monomial is in denominator 4 under root 3, that will be multiplied and divided by this fraction. We will do the straight multiplication. 3 multiplied by 4 under root 3 divided by 4 under root 3 multiplied by 4 under root 3. Same fractions are, you can say, the factors are going to multiply with each other. So we will take it in a whole square. As you can see here, 4 is also having a square, under root 3 is also having a square. So independently we will take the square. In the numerator, 3 4s are 12 and under root 3 will come. In the denominator, 4 is having a square, it will become 16. Under root 3 is also having a square. Square and under root will be cancelled. You know it. So it will be just 3. Simplify it by multiplying, and 12 under root 3 divided by 48. 12 and 48 can be simplified, will be cancelled. So under root 3 over 4 is a final answer. And you can observe, students, now in the denominator there is no irrational number, irrational factor. So this is the way to rationalize the surd or rationalize the denominators. I hope the steps are clear to you. Another question which is related to the binomial surd. Now method to rationalize the denominator or rationalize the surd. Exercise 4.4, the book page 94, question number 1, part number 6. You can see in the denominator under root 5 minus under root 3. This is a binomial surd. So whenever there is a binomial surd, what we will do? We will take its conjugate. What is the conjugate of under root 5 minus under root 3? That is under root 5 plus under root 3. So with the conjugate, we will multiply and divide this fraction. 2 over under root 5 minus under root 3 will be multiplied by under root 5 plus under root 3 and will be divided by same conjugate under root 5 plus under root 3. Now you will do the straight multiplication. 2 will be multiplied by under root 5 plus under root 3. So we will write this binomial surd in proper bracket. Under root 5 minus under root 3 will be multiplied by under root 5 plus under root 3. Yes, student, what we can do here? We will apply the third identity. What is the third identity? A minus b into a plus b will be equal to a square minus b square. So, first a whole square minus second b whole square. Square and under root, they will be cancelled. 5 will be left over. Under root, square will be cancelled. On 3 also, so 3 will be just left over. Now 2 under root 5 plus under root 3 will be as it is. No need to multiply it because we are just concerned to rationalize the denominator. So 5 minus 3 will be 2 and 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So it will be just a number under root 5 plus under root 3. You can see in the denominator there is no irrational surd or irrational factor. So this is the method to rationalize the denominator. Another question, girls, students, and what are the important things which we need to remember to solve these questions. That is conjugate. Which conjugate you have to find out? Always the denominator's conjugate. So what is the denominator? That is under root 5 minus under root 3. So what is the conjugate of under root 5 minus under root 3? That is under root 5 plus under root 3. Whatever it is coming on the numerator, we are not concerned with it. We will just see the denominator. Denominator is under root 5 minus under root 3. Its conjugate is under root 5 plus under root 3. We will multiply the conjugate and we will divide the conjugate with the given fraction. The fraction is under root 5 plus under root 3 divided by under root 5 minus under root 3. Multiply its conjugate, the denominator's conjugate. Keep it in mind. Under root 5 plus under root 3 divided by under root 5 plus under root 3. Now under root 5 plus under root 3, straight multiplication we will do. Numerator multiplied by numerator. Denominator multiplied by denominator. So under root 5 plus under root 3 whole square will come. Why? Because they are the same terms, same surds, binomial surds. So we will take it in whole square. And on the denominator we can apply again the third identity because factors terms are same, sign are different. So under root 5 whole square minus under root 3 whole square. Square and under root will be cancelled. You will be having 5 minus 3. Now students, you can see here under root 5 plus under root 3 is having whole square. So which identity we will apply here? Yes, first identity. What was the first identity? A plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we will take a as under root 5, b as under root 3 and we will substitute in the first identity formula. What was that? Under root 5 whole square plus 2 under root 5 into under root 3 plus under root 3 whole square. You can see again square and under root will be cancelled and 5 will come plus 2 under root 5 under root 3 they are going to multiply. We will take it in 1 under root and they will be multiplied. You will get 15. Under root 3 whole square will be cancelled. Square and under root you will get 3. So 5 and 3 are the simple numbers. You will add them. 8 plus 2 under root 15 divided by 2. You can see here the denominator has been rationalized. There is no irrational factor now. So this is the way to rationalize the denominator. Do practice of other questions, also these questions, to make it clear. I hope all the steps will be clear to you. Now the assignment for the day 3, question number 2, first to 8th part, exercise 4.4. You have to rationalize the surds. And in this question, you will find the conjugate first. Only conjugate. And in day 4, you will solve exercise 4.4, question number 1, first to 3rd part. Example, you will also solve on day 5, exercise 4.4 and the question number 1, same question number 1, the parts 4 to 8. And examples will be also solved by you. I hope all the steps are clear. Instructions will be clear to you. Now let's have a short recap. Students, we learned about how to find the conjugate surd. Second, how to rationalize the denominator by using conjugate surd.